to quickly move on and shift our focus to another important update we are getting. A major security breakthrough there ahead of Amarnath Yatra. Kathua police have arrested Haji Latif, an alleged facilitator of Pakistan-based terrorists. Investigators claim he helped more than a dozen terrorists infiltrate into India by providing them logistics and safe hideouts. Security agencies are now questioning him to uncover his entire network and to also identify other overground workers. Let's go across to my colleague Ankit Bhatt, who's joining us live right now for more on this. Ankit, tell us a little bit more about this operation and who really is Haji Latif.
Yes, this is a big success for the Jammu and Kashmir police, especially the Kathua police, which has break this entire network of OGW. This is the main key facilitator for the terrorist group who were trying to infiltrate into the Indian side. More than 12 Pakistani terrorists who infiltrated into the Indian side. This is the main key facilitator, Haji Latif, who has given a shelter in the upper reaches of the Kathua. Bilawar police and the with the supervision of SSP Kathua, Mohita Sharma. This is the main breakthrough for them, as the Haji Latif has been working as overground workers, and he was in touch with the Pakistan-based terror organizations, the terrorists who were trying to infiltrate, who infiltrated into the Indian side from the Sialkot and the Shakargarh. He was main who facilitated them. More than 12 terrorists has been infiltrated, and he was the one who gave the shelter, logistics support to them, and he has been arrested by the Kathua police. What we are learning is that the questioning of the Haji Latif is going on to uncover the whole OGW network in Kathua.
Right, and also important details that you've shared with us are quite scary as well. He helped allegedly over 12 Pakistani terrorists, infiltrate, and he also provided safe hideouts to several terrorists. Thank you very much, Ankit, for the moment for joining us. With this, we will slip into another very, very short break. Coming back with lots more. Stay with us.